Hello lovely people, how are you guys doing? What's up? In today's video, I'm very greasy for some reason. My forehead is so greasy you can fry an egg on it. Listen, it's good to know that my oil glands are doing their job properly. It looks like they really like their job. They're actually workaholics if you ask me. They just can't stop pumping out oil. Every day they're like... This is the result. Oh, look at my cheeks. Oh my god. Okay, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get a very bold, very dark. Well, it won't be that dark. You know what? Just roll the clips from the final look. Oh, that's what I like. Look at that look. Blue is my favorite color, so that's 10 points for this eye look. And I also really like shimmers, so that's some extra 10 points. Alright, let's just jump right into it. Why do I have a lash on my mirror here? I don't know. Do I know where this lash came from? No. It's a nice lash though. Oh, bare face and lashes. Like that. I don't know where to put it now. Well, I'm gonna leave it here. So I'm gonna do the things in a little bit of a different order today. I'm gonna start off by applying some concealer around my brows. I told you it's gonna be something different. And I'm gonna start blending it out. I'm doing this because I wanna do my eye makeup and my eyebrows before I do my foundation. Benefit 24 hours brow setter. I'm gonna use it to lock my brow hairs in place. And I like using the applicator of this brow gel to kind of press my brow hairs into my skin. Just the flat side of the applicator. Now I'm gonna take this Benefit Goof Proof eye pencil. This one has a little more thick tip. Hold on, I'm gonna show it to you. See, it looks like this. It's a lot thicker than a normal brow pencil. It fills my eyebrows very quickly. And I'm taking that same concealer and I'll use it to clean my eyebrows. Just make sure that this bottom part of my eyebrows is crisp and sharp. Oh, eyebrows. Going back to my concealer, I'm just adding some of it in my crease here. That's where I want most of my concealer to be. And then I'm taking a flat brush and I'm gonna blend it out. This will be my eyeshadow primer today. Okay, so next up, whoa, how did I do that? Oh, it also has a sharpener. I didn't know that. This is the Makeup Forever Aqua Resist Smoky Shadow. It's just a black eye pencil and it's super long lasting. I'm gonna apply this on my eyelid. Then I'm gonna smudge it, but here is the tricky part. I'm trying to keep it below my crease. Now this is very important. Oh, it's so easy to blend this. And once it sets into your skin, it's not going anywhere. Okay, so see how I'm keeping it only on my eyelid area. Adding one more layer, blending out again. You can also use your finger. It's just melting into your skin. It's so creamy. But once it dries out, oh my god, you better have a really good makeup remover because this thing is not going anywhere. So basically what I'm doing right now is I'm priming my eyelids for the eyeshadows. I want to have a nice, dark, very intense base for my eyeshadows because this way, when I apply them, they will really pop. Sometimes with eyeshadows, it's more important how you prime your skin before you apply them than the quality of the eyeshadows. Honestly, if you have a good base, any eyeshadow will look good. Well, most of them. Okay, this got very intense very quickly. I'm gonna switch to this smaller brush. This one is by Luxie. It's their mini tapered brush. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just make sure that I didn't create any harsh lines with that eye pencil, you guys. It's very important for that eye pencil to be nice and smooth and blended, because as I said, this is going to be the base of your eyeshadows. So take your time with this. This is probably the most important step when creating this look. So that's why it's taking so long, okay? Alrighty guys, check this out. Ho ho ho. Oh ho 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 ho. Is this a dream? Is this reality? I don't know, but I like what I see. If it's a dream, don't wake me up. I'm screaming internally, because if I scream for real, my neighbors will get very concerned. This is so pretty. Wow, 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 wow. I'm gonna clean the edges of that look with some baby wipe. And now I'm gonna do my face makeup. I'm gonna go back to the eye makeup in a while. So this is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I'm gonna take some of it on my brush. I'm gonna press it on my forehead, the sides of my nose here. Oh, I forgot I made myself some coffee. Hehe. It's cold and it's awful, but I still like it. For my foundations today, I'm gonna mix the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation in the shade 150 with the Estee Lauder Double Wear in the shade Porcelain. I'm gonna make a nice little mixture on the back of my hand. Whoop. Oh no, I'm running out of this. Come on, come on. You can do it! You can do it! You can do it. Oh wow, the power of foundation, right? Alright, now I'm gonna add some concealer on my blemishes. This is definitely not spot concealing, because if it is, that means that my whole face is a blemish. I don't know, you guys, I don't know. Sometimes I get comments, people saying that they want to squeeze my face. I know that they say it with love, but that's exactly how I feel about my blemishes too. I want to squeeze them. Oh my god, growing up my grandma had a friend of hers. That woman was so annoying. Every time that woman saw me, she had that urge to squeeze my cheeks. I squeezed them. And let me tell you, she was not squeezing my cheeks with love. No. That was not love. She was just mean. Every time I saw her approaching, I was like, oh no, the woman that makes my cheeks bleed. So now I'm gonna just make some dots on my face. I'm using this Charlotte Tilbury contour wand to contour my face. This is my least favorite way of using this product, but why I'm using it like that, I don't know. Contour that jawline. Broom brush, broom brush, broom brush. Where is my broom brush, broom brush, broom brush? Oh, it's very far away. Broom brush, broom brush, broom brush. Blend it with my broom brush, broom brush, broom brush. Broom brush, broom brush, broom brush. Now it's stuck in my head. What can I do? I really hate when I apply this product this way. I call this the Instagram way. I kind of want to powder my face, but at the same time, I don't want to powder my face. I don't know what I want.
A few moments later.
I'm gonna very lightly powder my face. I'm using this Hourglass powder. I think that this is actually the only powder that they have. Loose, translucent setting powder. It's a very nice one actually. Oh no! I forgot to apply some concealer under my eyes. That's okay, not the first time this is happening. Color correcting concealer under the eyes, blending it out. Oh, I had some foundation on that brush. And for my concealer under the eyes, I'm gonna go with this one here. Ooh, broom brush, broom brush, broom brush.
Stop! Please!
Where is my broom brush, broom brush, broom brush? I want most of my concealer in this area of my eye. And then I'm gonna kinda stretch it towards my temples. But most of the product, I want it to be in this area here. Alright, look at the difference. After the concealer under the eyes, before the concealer under the eyes. I mean, that's a huge difference, guys. It's a huge difference. Now moving back to the eyes, guys. Eyes. This, my friends, is magic in a bottle. Milani Hypnotic Lights Holographic Eye Topper. If I swatch it on the back of my hand, oh wow. Oh my god, I almost blinded you. I'm sorry. But you can see that this thing is full of shimmers. It's overpopulated with shimmers. Well, maybe through the camera you can't really see, but you just need to trust me. It has that very nice shimmery / metallic finish. It's just so pretty. It's so pretty. I can sit all day here watching it shine. Like, what is this? Why is it so beautiful? Everything is fine. So here is how we're gonna do it, my friends. Oh, I'm screaming internally again. Just letting you know. This look is everything. Now the reason that I wanted to keep that black eye pencil and the blue eyeshadow below my crease is because I find that with bolder looks like this one, yes, this is a little too bold for me. It's definitely out of my comfort zone. But with bold looks like that, I find that if you keep them only on your eyelid and not bringing them above where your eye crease is, they look a little bit more natural. Well, not natural, but more wearable. I don't know if that makes any sense. I'm gonna take some of my Benefit Dandelion blush and just bring it on my cheeks. This blush is very forgiving. It's just very sheer, so it gives you time to build up the intensity, which is nice. On the nose, of course. I'm generous with my blush, you guys. Wow. What if I tell you that I don't like the process of applying false lashes, but I like the boost of confidence they give me when I'm wearing them? Ah, coffee. It's so much better when it's hot and it's burning my tongue. Do you guys like your coffee cold? I mean iced or warm? I like it hot, and this one is lukewarm. But I'm gonna drink it anyways. Ugh. We're not wasting coffee in this house. Alright, lashes are on. I also added some eyeshadow in the outer half of my lower lash line and some mascara in the just in the outer lashes here. The lashes that I'm wearing the lashes that I'm wearing are by the brand Lava Lashes. Seduce with one glance. Ooh. Oh my god, this will give you nightmares. I'm so sorry. You seduced? Today, I'm not gonna be wearing any lipstick. I'll just line my lips with some lip liner and add some lip gloss on top. That's going to be pretty much all for the lips. Going back to the eyes, some final touches, I'm gonna add some of this silver eyeshadow in the inner corner. Just in this tiny little area here. You can barely tell that it's there, but that's okay. Benefit came up with a new setting spray, and it is supposed to help lock on makeup, soften the look of pores, and feels weightless. So I'm just gonna, spray it on my face. Oh no, it's getting in my coffee. I like the how do we call this? The pss, pss. That sounded like I'm summoning a cat or something. Pss, pss. It just sprays the product in. You are supposed to see this. It sprays the product very evenly. If you guys are wondering what I'm using, I always have all the products listed down in the description box. I only used 2 products for this whole eye look. I mean, 3 if you count the falsies. Actually 4 with the concealer that I applied at the beginning. You know what? You're not supposed to count makeup. You're supposed to wear it and enjoy it and have fun with it. So that's pretty much all for today, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I really hope you learned something new. If you want to support me, my channel, and everything that I do on here, simply give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And you can also find me on Instagram and Facebook. I also have a second channel. It will be right here below me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah!